Hello,
Good morning.
The people
Yes.
in grade 2
Two
present at
at
the
the
doctors.
Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. She called for the doctor to be quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote down a paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning with the pill.
Here, the waiting room. The doctor egg. Milk. The doctor cake. Doctor picture. Doctor beer. Milk. Clara. Yes. Doctor egg, please. Thank you. John Taylor. Here. The doctor cake, please. Thank you. Rogelio Sadero. Here. The doctor picture. Thank you. Harry Fenoy. Here. The doctor B, please. Carla, come here, please. Hello, Carla. What's the matter? I'm feeling ill. I've got a headache. Tooth. Oh, he's got an infection. Shit. The one with. Oh no, I don't like shadow. Goodbye. No school for today. Sit down. Hello, Dad. What's the matter? I must carry the doctor. Don't cry, Jan. Doctors help you. I'm feeling ill. I've got legacy. He doesn't asleep. Lie on the street. Ow! What's the matter, Lisa Jan? He's got a broken leg. He needs a bandage. Double sweets.